से हथियार कैसे छीनना ये उसकी प्रैक्टिस है। ये अब फुर्ती और महारत का मुजाहरा करेंगे।
This brings in the National Security Guards into the picture. A weapon force created specially to engage terrorists head-on and neutralize it killingly while protecting unarmed civilians.
Terror has its characteristics. The target of terror is an innocent civilian. Sometimes it might be a political person or a person in power, but he's a non-combatant. Armies deal with combatants. Here we are trying to prevent an attack on a non-combatant. Terror also tries to perpetrate fear and panic amongst the public at large, and we have to prevent that.
To begin with, first thing first, the National Security Guards was created soon after internal turmoil in the country leading up to assassination of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1984.
80 के दशक में जब आतंकवादी वारदातों का दौर तेजी के साथ इस देश में बढ़ना प्रारंभ हुआ था, उस समय यह महसूस किया गया कि इन आतंकवादियों का मुकाबला करने के लिए और इनके मंसूबों को पूरी तरह से नाकाम करने के लिए और देश की सुरक्षा के लिए एक विशेष सुरक्षा बल बनाया जाना चाहिए। और उसी समय एनएसजी के गठन का फैसला किया गया था।
The speed at which it was created bespeaks volumes about determination of our lawmakers. Speed with secrecy was the byword, and the combination still continues today in the present day setup of the National Security Guards. To see firsthand the making of a NSG commando with a very exclusive view from their quarter guards, Rajya Sabha television was given an extremely rare permission by the Government of India to record and play back shots at their training center that have never been filmed before. Garrison Stop, NSG's Manesar Training Center in Haryana. Membership in NSG is tough, very tough. Only a select few can enter it after their names are forwarded by the best battle group formations in army and central armed police forces across the country. And once inside this sprawling garrison at Manesar in Haryana, which is just about 50 kilometers outside New Delhi, the combat is in the air, literally, all over the place. At the NSG Training Center, a commando is trained how to neutralize enemy with a single bullet. He is trained to hit targets with eyes blindfolded or in zero visibility situations, and is also trained to shoot in total darkness. Recently, NSG had inducted women commandos. Do not go by their looks. They may be killing. But these women black cats are as good a killing machine as their male counterparts are. Without weapons, their unarmed combat skills are simply lethal.
Women are certainly, in their own ways, they have got some skills that men don't have, and we would like to make sure that we can get those skills that would increase our capabilities. As you know, the Maoists, for example, have used women very effectively in their action groups. So there's no reason why women with the proper training cannot do as well as men. Modern weaponry is such that you don't need physical strength. Women are agile, and I'm sure that in time they will walk shoulder to shoulder with men.
जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि एनएसजी में सिर्फ मेल कमांडोज हैं और हम फीमेल कमांडोज इस एनएसजी में आकर यह प्रूव करना चाहते हैं कि मेल कमांडोज से फीमेल कमांडोज कहीं भी कम नहीं है।
But first thing first, for an NSG commando, the day begins in right earnest, very early in the day in fact, much before the sunrise. Physical fitness is top in the list. Normal looking physical exercises at the Garrison NSG are tough, very tough. Each trainee commando is supposed to maintain top physical fitness. His physical endurance is like just top class athlete, tennis player, football player or squash player, all rolled into one unit. Many army units across the nation have sent their physical trainers to Manesar and are reported to have incorporated tips and training regime tailored for their units. National Security Guards is known for two world-famous exclusively specialized training schedules. First being Battle Assault Obstacle Course and the second one known more by its abbreviations CTCC, that is Counter Terrorist Conditioning Course. Rajya Sabha television crew was given permission to record a rare glimpse of the CTCC, where each and every commando had to go through a conditioning process. To see what was happening also required a strong-willed person. Each commando had to literally walk on the fire, crawl under a hail of live fire, double-barrel rapid fire so fierce that if any commando makes even a small mistake, it's bye-bye.
This is a counter-terrorism conditioning course. Here at NSG, we train our commandos to be specialists in counter-terrorism. Keeping this aim in mind, we have specially devised an obstacle course which is specifically for the counter-terrorism. Our trainees and commandos are trained on this obstacle course with the aim to achieve confidence, fire accurately with speed and agility.
Recently, NSG acquired a new and very exclusive firing simulator. In simple terms, this setup is used to sharpen firing skills of black cats by computers and television screens simulating real threat conditions. We were told these machines are only a handful in the country, and NSG being a special force This interactive firearms training simulator, better known as by its acronym, the IFATS, has raised the level of sharpness in shooting of black cats.
This is an interactive training simulator. Here we train all the trainees to sharpen their shooting skills. Here a trainee undergoes so many various practices which we generally practices in the ground, like bus intervention, room intervention, moving targets, snap shooting, etc. The best part of IFATS is after the practices, we show a result to a trainee so that the improvement part can be taken